In the quiet hum of a bustling city, amidst towering skyscrapers and digital billboards that flicker like constellations at night, a question lingers, almost imperceptibly. What if we were to find ourselves standing on the edge of an era where artificial intelligence begins to redefine not just our lives but our very existence? This is no longer science fiction, it's a reality whispered by countless technological advancements and the relentless pursuit of progress. Imagine a world where AI isn't just a tool, but a collaborator. Where machines can think, learn, and adapt with such speed and precision that they outshine human capabilities in almost every domain. In hospitals, doctors are augmented by intelligent systems capable of diagnosing diseases faster than any human eye could ever hope to do. In factories, robots work tirelessly without breaks or errors, producing goods at an efficiency unmatched even by the most tireless humans. But as we delve deeper into this future, a profound question arises: will artificial intelligence replace us? Will machines not only surpass our skills but also supplant our roles entirely? Let's take a step back. Picture yourself at work one day, surrounded by cutting-edge technology. Your desk is cluttered with gadgets, smartphones, tablets, laptops, all humming away in perfect harmony. Suddenly, you receive an email from your boss: our company will be implementing AI systems to manage and optimize our operations. Panic sets in as the implications sink in. Could it really come down to this? Are we simply cogs in a machine-driven system? To answer these questions, let's explore some of the current trends in artificial intelligence research and development. Scientists are pushing the boundaries every day, creating AI that can learn from vast amounts of data, recognize patterns, and make decisions based on complex scenarios. One key area is natural language processing, NLP, where machines have been taught to understand human speech and write with near-human fluency. Imagine a world where customer service representatives aren't in the heart of Silicon Valley, among towering skyscrapers and buzzing tech centers. The question looms large: will artificial intelligence replace us? It's a query that has captivated minds for decades. But as we stand on the cusp of an AI revolution, it feels more pressing than ever. Imagine waking up to a world where your home can anticipate your needs before you even realize them. Your car drives itself through traffic without any incidents. You walk into work and find your schedule already mapped out with meetings that align perfectly with your productivity peaks. This isn't just a dream, it's the reality of what AI promises. The journey to this future began long ago, when computers were nothing more than bulky machines that could perform basic calculations at lightning speed. Fast forward through decades of advancements and you find yourself in an era where artificial intelligence is not only intelligent but also adaptable, learning from its environment and responding with surprising efficiency. Consider the algorithms behind today's most advanced AI systems. They are like invisible architects, building digital cities one line of code at a time. These models can analyze vast amounts of data faster than any human ever could, making predictions that could change industries overnight. In healthcare, they help diagnose diseases earlier. In finance, they identify fraudulent transactions almost instantaneously. Yet, this incredible power comes with challenges and questions. Can AI truly understand the nuances of human emotions? How will it react when faced with unpredictable situations where there are no clear answers? These are the dilemmas that keep experts awake at night as they wrestle with ethical considerations and potential risks. The idea that artificial intelligence might replace us is not just a technological inevitability but also a social one. As AI systems become more integrated into our daily lives, their capabilities expand beyond mere tasks to encompass roles traditionally held by humans. In some sectors like manufacturing or customer service, automation has already started displacing workers. But what happens when the line between human and machine blurs further? One of the most fascinating aspects in the heart of Silicon Valley, amidst towering skyscrapers and gleaming data centers, a new frontier is unfolding. A place where circuits pulse with life and algorithms dance across screens in endless loops. This landscape holds the promise, and perhaps the peril, of humanity's future: artificial intelligence. The concept of AI has long captivated our imaginations. From Isaac Asimov's 3 Laws to the dystopian visions in science fiction, we've grappled with the idea that machines might one day surpass human intellect and autonomy. Now, as technology advances at an unprecedented pace, this question looms larger than ever: will artificial intelligence replace us? The journey to answering this complex query begins not just in labs and research centers but within our own minds. Imagine a world where AI seamlessly integrates into every aspect of life: work, healthcare, education, even personal relationships. On one hand, it promises unparalleled efficiency, innovation, and convenience. On the other, it raises profound questions about human value, identity, and purpose. Consider this: today's most advanced AI systems can already outperform humans in specific tasks like image recognition or complex calculations. They learn at speeds that are unimaginable for us, adapting to new environments, languages, and even creative endeavors with a rapidity that astounds. But these capabilities do not come without challenges. One of the key issues is ethical responsibility. As AI systems become more autonomous, how can we ensure they operate in ways that benefit humanity? This raises questions about accountability. Who bears the consequences when an algorithm makes a mistake or causes harm? Moreover, there's the concern of job displacement. As machines take over routine and even some complex tasks, many fear a future where traditional jobs are obsolete. But this transition is not without precedent. History has shown that technological advancements often lead to new opportunities. New industries emerge from old ones. However, these changes require us to rethink our educational systems and prepare for an uncertain workforce landscape. The skills we value today in the heart of Silicon Valley, amidst the bustling tech giants and cutting-edge startups, lies a profound question that echoes through every corner of this modern landscape. Will artificial intelligence replace us? The answer is not just about technology, it's about humanity's future on an unprecedented scale. Imagine standing at the edge of a vast digital sea, where the waves are AI algorithms and the tides are data flows. On one side, you have the relentless advancement of machine learning models that can outperform humans in tasks ranging from diagnosing diseases to mastering complex games like Go or chess. These feats paint a picture of a world where machines are not just tools but autonomous entities capable of making decisions. But how does this impact us? As AI systems become more sophisticated, they start to mimic human behavior and decision-making processes. In some ways, it's as if the line between what we consider human and machine is blurring. We see this in areas like emotional intelligence. AI can now recognize emotions from facial expressions or voice patterns with high accuracy. This capability makes AI seem almost human-like. Yet, despite these advancements, there's a key difference that keeps us relevant: creativity. While machines excel at processing vast amounts of data and executing tasks efficiently, they struggle to come up with novel ideas or experiences that are truly original. Take the case of art, for instance. Even as AI generates paintings and music that can be indistinguishable from human creations, there's something uniquely personal about an artist's touch: a brush stroke imbued with emotion, a note played with passion. This brings us to another pivotal question: how do we ensure our survival in this evolving landscape? The answer lies not just in competition but collaboration. Imagine a scenario where humans and AI work together as partners rather than adversaries. This could revolutionize fields like medicine, where personalized treatment plans are tailored based on vast datasets analyzed by AI, while doctors provide the empathy and human touch needed for patient care. But what about jobs? As we continue our journey through the vast landscape of artificial intelligence, AI, and its potential to reshape society, a question looms large in our collective consciousness. Will artificial intelligence replace us? This is not merely an academic or theoretical inquiry, it's a profound existential challenge that demands our attention. The implications of AI replacing human roles extend far beyond mere job displacement. They touch on the very essence of what it means to be human, and they raise critical questions about survival in an increasingly automated world. Let's delve into some real-world scenarios where AI could potentially supplant us in various fields. Firstly, consider the realm of healthcare. With advancements like machine learning algorithms that can diagnose diseases more accurately than humans, and robotic surgeries that perform with microscopic precision,
the line between human care and artificial intelligence begins to blur.
A future scenario might see a world where personalized medicine is not just an option but a standard practice thanks to AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of
patient data in real time.
In agriculture, drones equipped with AI can monitor crop health, predict yield, and even optimize irrigation systems based on weather patterns.
This could lead to more sustainable farming practices and increased food production, but it also poses the question, will farmers be replaced by machines? If this happens, what new roles might humans take on in this transformed landscape?
The education sector is another area
where AI's influence can be felt.
Virtual tutors that adapt their teaching methods based on student performance could revolutionize learning experiences.
However, as these technologies become more sophisticated, they may start to outpace human educators in terms of efficiency and personalization.
In the financial world, algorithms are already driving major decisions, from stock trading to risk assessment.
AI's ability to process data at an unprecedented scale means it can make predictions that might be impossible for humans to calculate manually. This raises concerns about job loss but also opens up new opportunities for human creativity in developing and overseeing these systems.
The creative industries such as music composition, art creation. As we peer into the future, it's hard not to be awed by the potential of artificial intelligence.
It has already transformed so many
aspects of our lives, how we work, how we communicate, even how we entertain ourselves.
But as AI becomes more advanced and capable, a profound question looms: will artificial intelligence replace us?
The thought alone is enough to spark fear in some hearts. The idea that something created by humans might one day surpass us seems almost too fantastical for belief. And yet, the truth is, it's not just about whether or not AI will replace us, it's
more a matter of how we can coexist and thrive alongside this rapidly evolving technology.
Imagine a world where AI doesn't see us as competitors to be outsmarted but rather as partners in creation. Picture a future where humans collaborate with machines on complex problems, leveraging the strengths that each brings: humans for creativity and empathy, AI for speed and precision.
This partnership could lead to breakthroughs we can only dream of today.
But let's face it, change is never easy.
The transition might be bumpy, full of ethical dilemmas and societal shifts.
We must ask ourselves how we want this future to look.
Do we embrace the unknown with open arms or try to resist?
The answer lies not in fear but in our willingness to adapt. One thing is clear: AI will continue to evolve at an exponential rate, driven by a relentless pursuit of knowledge and efficiency.
As creators, inventors, thinkers, it's up to us to ensure that this evolution benefits humanity as a whole.
We need to work together to set ethical guidelines for AI development, ensuring that technology serves the greater good. In many ways, our survival in an age dominated by artificial intelligence is not just about avoiding obsolescence but about finding new roles and identities within this evolving landscape. It's time we start thinking beyond the narrow confines of what it means to be human, beyond just the physical or big ideas shape tomorrow.
Subscribe to be part of what's next.